Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my favorite zuppa toscana at home. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. We're going to begin by cooking 1 pound of bacon. Once bacon is nice and crisp, remove it from the pot along with all of the grease. Now we're going to cook 1 pound of mild Italian sausage. Once the sausage is fully cooked, we're going to remove it from the pot and set it to the side. Now to the pot, we're going to return 1 tablespoon of the bacon grease, and we're also going to add 1 tablespoon of butter. Set your pot over medium heat. Add half an onion and 4 minced garlic cloves. Now just allow it to saute it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we're going to sprinkle 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it together with the onion and allow it to cook for about 1 minute. After the minute, we're going to add 2 cups of water and just begin to mix it in with the onions. And scrape the bottom of your pot. Now we're going to add 4 cups of chicken broth. We're going to season with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Just mix it all together. Now here we're going to add our 6 large potatoes. Cut them in half moons, about a finger thick. Now we're just going to bring it to a simmer. Once the potatoes come to a simmer, taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're just going to cover it and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. Okay, after 7 minutes, our potatoes should be almost done. So here we're going to add 2 cups of heavy cream. Going to add our fresh kale, or you can use spinach. Okay, we're also going to add in our sausage. Just mix it all together and allow it to cook for another 5 minutes. Okay, and after 5 minutes, our kale should have softened and our potatoes should be fully cooked. Of course, just make sure that you check them. And just like that, our zuppa toscana is done. So here you can add your bacon or just add the bacon while serving. I'm just going to add half of it. Now we can get ready to serve. Okay, once we get ready to serve, top it with some bacon and of course some Parmesan cheese. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy, fast, and so delicious. It's honestly the best. So I hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Now I am so ready. This is so comforting, packed in flavor in just one bite. Like I said, the best. The broth, so flavorful. The potatoes cooked to perfection. Everything. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I made my super easy and delicious zuppa toscana. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you get this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.